Today we're going to take a look at Gala Games. I'm going to take a look and see if it's a buy, a sell, and if it is a buy, is it a long-term hold or a short-term hold? We're going to take a look at the chart because it's had a pretty big run-up lately. Let's take a look at Gala Games. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains next bull run. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. Nothing on my channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, Gala Games is probably the most popular gaming coin, crypto coin that there is out there. A lot of you already know what it is. We're going to go through this in sections. First, I think I'm just going to go over a generalized overview of what the project is. Second, I'm going to go over what games are available or what are going to be available. And then after that, I think we're going to go into what a node costs and how you can get involved at buying a node. And then last but not least, we're going to look at the pricing, the tokenomics, and a little bit of charting to see where the coin's price is currently. Okay, let's start out by looking at what Gala Games is. Making blockchain games you'll actually want to play. That's on their front page of their website here. They say fun first. We believe the blockchain should be invisible in our games. We use simple game mechanics that all players can enjoy, whether or not they consider themselves to be blockchain pros. Okay, owned by players. Players get to truly own what they win in our games. If you earn and win a magical sword on Gala Game platform, it is yours. So they're saying that your assets and what you earn in the games are yours as an NFT, and you can do what you wish with those items. You can sell them, trade them, whatever you would like to do with those items once you win them on the platform. Community rules. We don't develop games in a vacuum. We constantly engage and test assumptions with our Discord community. We build alongside a vocal community whose input shapes the direction of each game's design it takes. Powered by the people, everything within the Gala Games network depends on the player-owned node ecosystem, which we'll get to in a few minutes. The Gala network is supported by users, just like you, who operate Gala nodes from their home computers. And it says, get yours today. We're going to find out if they're affordable in a second here. More than 16,000 player-run nodes power our ecosystem. Okay, next we're going to take a look at the games that are out currently. It looks like so far they have Spider Tanks, which is out, and Town Star, which I know released fairly recently. It's in beta version. Spider Tanks is live, so you can actually play that game. Most of these other games are, I guess this one, Superior, is in early access launch, and then the rest of them down here are in development. So there currently are, I guess, two games. Spider Tanks and Town Star are currently playable, and then Superior is in early access launch. Missing something with the games, and there's more games that I'm missing, please leave a comment on this video. And also, if there's another gaming project that you think I'm missing, just leave a comment as well, because there's a few people that wanted me to do a video on Gala, so I went ahead and I'm doing one now. So if you leave a comment of a gaming crypto project, I more than likely will do a video on it. Okay, next up is nodes. Okay, in the nodes section, it says Gala nodes open up opportunities to receive rewards like Gala, limited edition NFTs, and chance to help the Gala Games ecosystem grow. Okay, if we go down here and we hit buy now, it's going to take us over to this page here. This is for a Gala node license. I'm not sure exactly what they started out at, but currently, you get a founder's node. It's 1.8 million. Gala. 839257. Okay, and then the price of Gala currently is Check the charts. The current price of Gala is 0.052 cents. Okay, we'll go with that. So if we do that times 0.052 cents, right now, to buy a Gala node, it's $95,641. Now, I'm not sure about you, but for me, I cannot afford that, and I probably will never be able to afford that for a node, for a Gala node. The thing that frustrates me about this project is that there's no other ways to stake. You have to buy either this node or nothing. There are other nodes that you can get into that are specific to projects. So like spider tanks here, if we were to get a spider tank node, which they're sold out currently, but let's see what that would cost. 392 times 0.052. It would be over $3,000. Now that's better, but still, is that affordable to me and you, just a normal consumer out there that's trying to invest into a project? Probably not. So that's where I'm kind of confused at why there isn't any other types of staking at all. So each project that comes out, there is no, you can buy into a node for that specific project. If I am completely wrong and there's other ways to stake or earn passive income through Gala, please leave that in the comments and prove me wrong. I really wish there was another way to stake with Gala. I like the project a lot. I think what they're doing is really good and revolutionary in a way. And I just wish there was a much less expensive way to take part in it. So if you do know of a way, please leave that in the comments. And yeah, am I jealous that I didn't get into a Gala node when they were $2,000 when they first came out? Yes, I am. But besides the point of that, I just wish there was another way that you can maybe earn less APR, but take part in the project by staking of some kind. Maybe have a minimum amount of tokens you can stake to earn somewhat of an APR. Okay, if we take a look at the chart for Gala, I ran a fib on this from the top, from the bottom. The bottom was 1.5 cents. That was back in not the bottom of the entire length of the time of the coin, but the bottom from this giant run it had was 1.5 cents approximately, all the way up to 6.2 cents, 6.3 cents. If we ran that back and it retraced down to the 50 fib, it would be about 3.9 cents. And then if it retraced to the 618, it would be about 3.29 cents. So would I buy Gala coin now? Definitely not. Would I buy it at 3.9 cents? Yeah. Would I buy it for a long-term investment? Probably not, because I'm into staking and farming and earning passive income. If I'm just holding a coin and it does nothing, then what's the point? So no, I would not buy it unless there was some form of passive income. So yes, I do really like the project. I think it's a really good project, really great idea. At this point, I'm not going to invest in it, especially at these prices. 618 would be where I'd get in. That's what, 3.39 cents. Not financial advice, but that looks like a really good spot to buy in if I were to. But if they did come out with another way to stake, I'd be all for it for sure. So definitely, if there was a better way to stake, or not a better way, but a less costly way to stake for little guys like me, I would definitely get in, because I do think it's a great project. One other thing I want to touch on is the partners. They have huge partners, Polygon. I love Matic. That's one of my favorites. But they just have tons of different partners. And they had the announcements with possible partnerships with The Rock and Mark Wahlberg as well. So great projects, great partnerships. I think it'll do really well in the long run. Will it do a 25 to 50x? We can check that out real quick. Okay, quick tokenomics. The circulating supply is 7.542 billion. The total supply is 39.0676 billion. I guess there's a max supply, which 10 billion more or 11 billion more could be added. I'm not sure exactly how that would work. If anybody knows, leave in the comments. Currently, if we go by the 7.542 circulating and the 39.076 total, only 20% of the total supply is in circulation, which is not really good. So there's a lot of inflation that can be done. I'm not sure if there's any type of burning mechanisms that I know of. I haven't run across any when I was researching the project. But those are, a quick overview of the tokenomics. Okay, Gala's current market cap is 397,441,000. Okay, so if we did 397 441 times 25, it put it at a $9.936 billion market cap. Let's see what that would put it at compared to other projects. Let's see, 9 point. That would put it around the same market cap as Solana, a little under Matic. That's definitely possible. Yeah, that is definitely possible because it could be the biggest gaming crypto, the next bull market. It's definitely a possibility. So do I think Gala could do a 25x? Yeah, it's definitely possible from where it's at now. It'd be definitely better buy-in. Like I said, where that 3.39 cents was at the 618 retracement. That's where I would buy in if I were to invest in this project, not at 5.2 cents. In conclusion, I think this is a great project. I do. I just wish there was better staking opportunities for little guys like me. So Gala, if you're watching, which you're not, please make it easier for little guys to stake on your platform. Gala, buy-in, 3.3 cents. That's my buy-in if I were to buy in, not financial advice. This was a fun project to do. If there's any gaming projects that you think are good that have staking preferably, please leave them in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.